Hello everyone. Welcome to this video tutorial on how to change the datum of each cross-section. In this video, we will discuss locking and unlocking datum values. As demonstrated in the previous video, the datum value is automatically derived using the cross-sectional data by the program. It is rounded off to the nearest 0.2 meters from the minimum value of each cross-section. Similarly, the program rounds off the datum to the nearest 1 meter value from the minimum value in the longitudinal section data. You can change the default datum rounding values from 0.2 and 1 to your preferred values in the Basic Settings tab. If changes are made here, all datum values are recalculated automatically. In some projects, you may wish to explicitly apply a specific datum value to all cross-sections. For example, you may want all cross-sections to have a datum value of 96. In such cases, select Settings from the toolbar. In the Settings window, select the Datum Editor item. In the Datum Editor tab, specify 96 and click the Apply button. The datum value for each cross-section will be set to 96. If required, you can also manually change the datum value in the grid. After changing the datum values, click the L button, which means lock all datum values. If a datum value is locked, the software will not automatically change the datum according to the datum precision settings. In the next video, you will learn how to quickly change cross-section data using the tools available in the right-click menu of the cross-section grid. If you are working in the infrastructure industry, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We regularly add informative videos about infrastructure design and engineering solutions. Road InfraSuite and Water InfraSuite are very popular software solutions for infrastructure engineering. You can also book a free demonstration of the software by visiting www.esurveying.net. You may reach us through email at info@esurveying.net. You can call us on 9449599709. Thank you for watching this video.